My bird thought it was a bird and started like squeaking back. It's not a bird, dude. A black-capped conure. It's a little, it's just a type of conure. He's a little like green guy with red tips on his feathers. What, dude? What? So yeah, there's a bunch of like the bright yellow conures. They're called sun conures. He wasn't supposed to fucking talk. His species doesn't talk often, but he's very chatty. You guys. You guys. No. We're just not gonna talk about it. We're just not gonna speak of it. We're just gonna pretend it's not even a thing. What happened was, I looked down at my bird and forgot to follow. Tiki, this is your fault. This is your fault, dude. He's just sitting on my leg like, what? Shh. We're just not gonna talk about it. And you guys are in the circle. I am just here for commentary and moral support, guys. I don't even have that. I got a vehicle and a gun with 30s. I made it. Don't worry. I'm gonna ping. Wait. Did that orange path as my hero. I get lost everywhere I go. I appreciate you. Literally, my daughter is a sasshole, and if I drive without GPS, she goes, "Mom, where's the blue line?" Fuck off, kid. Fuck off. Let's go that way. I was explaining to her that I used to print directions when I went places, and she's like, "How old are you?" I'm like, "Fuck off." Hi, Tiki. Shut the fuck up. You know what's fucked up is my bird's literally just sitting on my lap watching me. This is your fault, bro. This is your fault. He does not give a shit as long as he gets lovins. What's up, dude? Are you... You know what I got? A gun with shots in it. Yeah! Let's go, Teak. Come on, Tiki. This is your fault, bro. Yeah. No, this is your fault. I have nothing. Oh, does this car go? Oh, I got air. Okay, nope, I'm still alive. Don't worry, guys. I want you to know that I have not died. Oh, there's a tree. I flew over the hill and the hit. You know what? You're just gonna leave me now, Tiki? You made me leave my team and fly nowhere? And you abandon me? This damn bird.